Hello friends, today we are going to create a searchable drop-down list on cell address C2 in Google spreadsheet. For this, we have a complete actor list in column A. To create a searchable drop-down list in cell address C2, right-click, view more cell actions option, and then select data validation. In enter a range or formula area, select the entire actor list from A2 onwards. For this, click on A2 cell address and select the entire column with additional cell address. Click on OK button and finally Save button. Now click on C2 cell address and you could find that the complete list will automatically appear. Type the initials, suppose DY. Automatically, the searchable drop-down list will appear by using the initials. The benefit of searchable drop-down list is, suppose we have insert an additional name like Amit Sengupta, and whenever we click on the drop-down list, we could find that it will automatically attached with the searchable drop-down list. Thank you very much to watch this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.